Massive news, and I had to make a video. This was reported earlier on by my good friend Abdurrashid Noor, also known as Sharadino. Referee Umar Abdulkadir Artan, who has been refereeing at this year's African Cup of Nations, has been asked to join the CAF delegation to referee at the World Cup in 2026. Referee Umar has done a fantastic job in every single role that he's been asked to do during this tournament, as VAR referee, as the fourth official, and as the main ref. He's officiated some big games at this tournament, and because of his incredible performances as the man in the middle, he has been rewarded with a call-up to the World Cup. This is amazing news, and news that every Somali can be proud of. Umar has represented us magnificently at this tournament. This is just further proof that Somali football is headed in the right direction, and inshallah in a few years we won't just have a referee but also a team representing us at these competitions. walaalkii Umar waxaan ku leeyahay hambalyo waa kula jirnaa hore u soco ilaahayna ha ku sahlo.